Well, today's burger is going to be the surf and turf burger or the heart attack on a bun burger. Either one we call it, it's going to have the same ingredients. We're going to start out with a good old brioche bun. Grab yourself some Munster cheese. I just happen to have some awesome neighbors that bring me back some from Wisconsin. And this here surf mixture, which has in about 6 pieces of bacon we've diced up. Cook them about 4 to 5 minutes. It starts turning a little brown. Dump out half of that grease and then add in about a pound of shrimp. Now, find you a good seasoning that you like with shrimp. I like this one right here. And give her a good dousing. Give her a snort to make sure you used enough, which we did, because it'll make you do a little jig. After about 2 minutes on that side, we're going to flip them over or give them a little stir and add in about a half a stick of butter. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Hey, you do you. If you don't like garlic, don't use it much. If you're scared of vampires like me, use a lot. Get you the juice of half a lime. And since we had that lime, we might as well zest it and put in a good old healthy smidgen of lime zest in that little mixture too. After about 4 to 5 minutes, we're looking at 145 internal on that shrimp. That means they're done. We're going to hit them with some MOJO barbecue just to bring a little smokiness to those shrimp. And man, they snorted out good and they tasted out good. Now, I did add a little cilantro right here, but I seem to cut that piece out, not meaning to. All right, now about these cow balls. Let me tell you, my good friends up there in outlaw country know what they're doing, because these here ribeyes come from Jersey cows. You know anything about Jersey cows, that means they're milk cows. But if you look at this meat, that looks as good as any piece of Wagyu I've seen in a long time. Them outlaw boys are smart. All right, let's get her cut up where to fit through this hair grinder. We're going to grind it with a small die with just one run, one pass. We're going to divide them out into 3-ounce cow balls. That way they'll smash out good and flat on this hot piece of metal right here and give me more real estate for that shrimp to go on to. Use that bacon grease you poured out and get them buns slathered up real good with it, because it makes a pretty bun browner. All righty, get those patties on there. Nope, them balls. And because we fix to turn them into patties. Go about 15 seconds. They get a little sear on there. And if you've not watched this channel before, we do that so that smashy will not stick to that patty. Alrighty, we're just going to use straight up MOJO beef today because I'm feeling kind of fancy. So get a good dosing on each one of them. Let that roll for about 1:45 seconds. Once that 1:45's up, let's give her a flip. Make sure we got a good sear. And yes, we did. Now, on the flip, always put your cheese on. Don't waste no time. Get her on there quick. We're going to let her roll for about a minute, just like this. That minute's up, we're going to start stacking. We're going to stack a patty on top of a patty, and we're going to get 2 patties and stack them on top of that bottom bun that we will not see again until later, because them patties is huge. Alrighty, get that shrimp mixture and pile her on. Make sure you get that bacony butter all over it also, because that's going to make us, man, it's going to be so good. Alrighty, let's get her built, put the bun on, take a quick little pick. Now that we've snapped that pick, we've added a little more cilantro for look and for freshness. Alrighty, get those sleeves rolled up, because we fixing to get nasty. We're going to have cow juice and bacon butter juice from fingertips to elbows. Even had a little cheese pull there. Let me tell you what, this burger channel not only making me a fat man, it's making me a happy man. Oh man, some of these creations are awesome. So awesome that I gotta go over here and tell my family about it. Now let me tell you, grab these ingredients and make it. If you don't like it, just bring it over to my house and I'll eat it for you. Alrighty, you know what? I appreciate you. And MOJO is out.